Hey there, Bricksters and Lego friends. I am here with a review of the Crazy Art SuperBlox Hover Fighter. Now we just built this, and we just built this on a live stream, so you can check that out. I'll put the link just down below. And this is a cool little set. There's only one thing I despise of it, and that is the wheels themselves. The wheels are kind of not so great. Lego wheels are far much better rubber wheels. However, this was a fun build. It only took about 30 minutes to build it. Now, one nice thing is they use both parts, the front and the back, for the engines, and it's on a swivel so that it can turn up and down and it can take off just like so. Or it could land just like so, or it could take off just like a regular plane would take off. Now the cockpit, it does have a hinged top on it, although it does not have a seat in there. So you have to put your minifig down in and sit him onto the floor bricks. Now this minifig is a little different because he has like a hollow leg bottom, and well, he's not too bad of a print, I guess you could say. Just a common average minifig type of thing. It is not of the greatest quality, but it's not bad. It is kind of like the Kobe quality bricks. Certainly not of Lego quality, but the clutching power is definitely a 9 out of 10 on this. So I gotta admit that this is, for the price, when I bought it, it was not bad at all. The design of it is kind of cute. It's kind of different, actually. And like I said, the wheels just kind of like, don't do it for me. You can almost take them right off and cover that whole thing in. But if you have some Lego wheels, you can modify that and put them on there. It has some stickers that it comes with that you have to put on. But that's just basically it. There's not a whole lot to this. It was a fun little build, but like I said, the clutching power was great. It's just more or less a shell that you build upwards and outwards, and now the man is turned that way. That's the only thing I don't like about it. There is not a chair in there or a seat, and this particular figure will not sit down on the base. So you need a chair to finish that off inside, and some proper wheels just to finish that off, and then it'll be a hunky-dory little build. And I've had this for 4 years. And I just decided to build it live the other night. So it was pretty cool. It has 120 pieces. And there's the reverse side of the box. The box itself is actually pretty unique. As you can see, it sort of has a shine to it. Silver and blue metallic box. And I'm going to keep that just because of that. I think I bought this at Walmart down in New Hampshire when I was down at Brick Fair about 4 years ago, and I paid around $6 or $7 for it. So it wasn't all that bad. Just remove the box so you can see this just a little bit better. It looks sort of like a hover helicopter, if you want to call it that. But all in all, it looks pretty cool, and that's about it. So that being said, I'll leave this review for now, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe down below, and leave a like, of course, if you do like the video, and leave some comments. And if you want me to review something or make something, please let me know. And remember, until next time, if you can dream it, you can build it. I'll see you soon.